If you're considering starting a business, one of the first decisions you'll need to make is how to legally structure it. One option is forming a corporation, but is it right for you? Before we dig deep into the answer, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you can stay updated about business topics that can save you time and money. According to the Small Business Administration, only about 21% of small businesses in the US are incorporated. That's a minority, but it's still a significant portion. A corporation is a legal entity that is separate from its owners, meaning it can own property, sign contracts, and even get sued. If a corporation gets sued, it's the corporation's assets at stake, not the personal assets of the owners. That's one of the main reasons people choose to incorporate. But there's also the issue of taxes. A corporation is taxed separately from its owners, which can sometimes result in double taxation. According to the Tax Foundation, the federal corporate tax rate in the United States is about 21%. But remember, this is just the federal level. State and local taxes can add more to the burden. Incorporating also means extra paperwork, ongoing fees, and stricter regulations. This can be time-consuming and can require a significant amount of attention to detail. That is why, instead, many people choose to form LLCs and other entities. However, forming a corporation can also make it easier to raise capital by selling shares of stock. In fact, about 7,000 corporations went public in the last decade, raising billions in capital. So, should you form a corporation? The answer is, it depends. It depends on your business goals and financial situation. For personalized help in figuring out if you should form a corporation, please visit legalregistration.com, or you are welcome to call our experts right now at 877-955-7111. Also, what do you think about the benefits of forming a corporation? Is there a specific advantage that excites you? Drop a comment below and let us know your opinion. Please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you can stay updated about important information designed to benefit your business.